Now we have to start with the first method, northwest corner method. We have to check the first condition. The condition is total demand is equal to total supply. So you have to check the condition. Total demand is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 14, that is equal to 34. Total supply is equal to 7 plus 9 plus 18, that is also 34. So both are equal. So this is balanced transportation problem. So now we have to move with the solution. This method is northwest corner method. So we have to start with the corner. Here the corner is 2. For this we have to compare the demand value as well as the supply value. Which one is the smallest one? 5 is the smallest one. So you have to allocate 5 for here. So 5 will be allocated here, means you have to just strike it out this row. And this value will be subtracted by 5. So this will be reduced to 2. The next modified matrix is 3, 3, 1, 5, 4, 7, 1, 6, 2. So for this matrix, the corner is 3. For this, we have to compare with demand value as well as supply value. For here, the supply value will be 2. So you have to allocate 2. So here 2 will be allocated. So you have to just strike it out this column. This value will be subtracted by 2. So this will be reduced to 6. The next modified matrix is 3, 1, 4, 7, 6, 2. For this, the corner is 3. For this, we have to compare demand value as well as supply value. For here, the smallest one is 6. So you have to allocate 6 here. So you have to just strike it out this row. So this value will be reduced to 3 because here we are allocated 6. So you have to just subtract 6 from 9. We get the value will be 3. The remaining matrix is 4, 7, 6, 2. For here the corner value is 4. For this 4 you have to compare demand value as well as supply value. So here the smallest value will be 3. So you have to just allocate 3 here. So you have to strike it out this column. This value will be reduced to 4. The next reduced matrix is 7 and 2. So for here the corner is 7. So comparing demand and supply, the smallest value will be 4. You have to just allocate here. So this row will be reduced. This will be reduced to 14. So here now we have only one cell. In final, we get the same value. Then only your solution is correct. Otherwise, you have to go for check. So these two value will be same. So you have to allocate 14 here. You have to strike it out just both column as well as row. So in final, you have to write the solution like here. 2, 7, 4, 3, 3, 1, 5, 4, 7, 1, 6, 2. So this is your optimal solution. So finally you have to write the transportation cost like this. Transportation cost is equal to 2 into 5, 10 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 3 into 6, 18 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 7 into 4, 28 plus 2 into 14, 28. That is equal to 102. That is rupees 102 is your transportation cost. So next we have to move with the second problem. The second problem is 3 by 3 matrix. For this also, first you have to check whether the given total supply is equal to total demand or not. So first we have to come with total supply. 200 plus 300 plus 500, that is equal to 1000. Similarly, total demand is equal to 200 plus 400 plus 400. So this is also 1000. So total demand is equal to total supply. So this is balanced transportation problem. Now we have to move with the solution. Here is also we have to follow the same procedure. This is also northwest corner method. So you have to start with that corner. Here the corner value is 20. For this we have to compare with the supply as well as demand. Both the values are equal means no problem. You have to just allocate 200 here. You just strike out both row as well as column. So you have to go with the solution. The first one is 200. So you have to allocate 200 here. So you have to just strike it out both row as well as column. The next modified matrix is only 12, 9, 30, 18. For this the corner is 12. So you have to compare with supply as well as demand. The smallest value is 300. So you have to write 300 here. So you have to cancel this row. So this value will be reduced to 100. Because you have to subtract 300 from 400. So we have the value 100. The next modified matrix is 30 and 18. For this the corner is 30. So comparing with demand and supply, your value will be 100. So we have to allocate 100 here. So we have to just strike it out this column. This value will be reduced to 400. So in final we have only one cell. So the final value is also equal. So your solution is correct. So for here we have to allocate 400. So you have to just strike it out both rows as well as column. So the final solution you have to write like previous problem. So the total transportation cost is 20 into 200 plus 12 into 300 plus 30 into 100 plus 18 into 400, that is equal to 4000 plus 3600 plus 3000 plus 7200, that is equal to rupees 17,800. So final transportation cost is rupees 17,800. So finally you have to write the optimal solution also like previous problem. Girls, if you have any doubt, you ask me, I will clear you.